This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan hot dogs. Get ready to craft your own delicious, plant-based hot dogs right in your kitchen. We'll be using simple ingredients like vital wheat gluten, which gives them that perfect chewy texture, along with nutritional yeast for a cheesy, umami flavor. This recipe is a fantastic way to enjoy a classic comfort food, completely free of animal products and tailored exactly to your taste preferences. To begin crafting your hot dog base, combine 1 cup of vital wheat gluten with 1/2 cup of chickpea flour in a large bowl. Next, whisk in 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder to build a rich flavor profile. Gradually add 1 cup of vegetable broth and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, mixing until a firm, cohesive dough forms. Knead it gently for about 2 minutes to develop the gluten. Now it's time to shape your hot dogs. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions, then roll each piece into a classic hot dog shape, approximately 5 to 6 inches long. For the best texture, wrap each hot dog tightly in parchment paper, then in aluminum foil, twisting the ends securely. You can then steam them for 25 minutes or bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until firm. Your delicious vegan hot dogs are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them on toasted buns with all your favorite fixings, whether that's classic mustard and ketchup or a generous dollop of relish. For an extra layer of flavor, you can pan-fry or grill the cooked hot dogs until they're beautifully browned. Don't hesitate to customize the recipe with a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke or a pinch of cayenne pepper in the dough for a unique twist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.